going on, everyone? I'm back again. I got a motor put in. It's all done. All buttoned up. So yeah, that's all sweet. And it runs fine. It's real good. I just gotta adjust the clutch pedal, so it needs to really be there, I suppose, so it's in line with the brake pedal, because you put it in gear and when you put the clutch in it's hard to get out of gear, so it needs that, yeah, a little bit of adjustment. And it's just a screw on it on the side of the gearbox, just adjustment, so you just have to twist it to where you want it to be. But I'll show you how it runs. I think it needs a fuel pump, or where's my key? Fuel pump. It's got like old stale fuel in it, so it doesn't like to rev very well. Should run. Helps if you tighten the battery up. So we'll try that again. So yeah, as you see, it takes a bit to start, so I think it's just shitty fuel, or fuel pump's on its way out, so I've got some fresh fuel down there. And I bought a fuel filter. I might need a fuel pump, but I'm just going to drain the fuel that's in this and change it up. So I just changed out the fuel filter. Got the new one in there, so that's old. Now I'm going to get a fuel pump. Only my town has a train track in the middle of the city. Classic Rockhampton. So I've just come to Repco here and they've hooked me up with a fuel pump at a good price. Give me like 50 bucks off, so it was like under 100 bucks to pay for that. So we'll go home now and throw it in. So I just pulled that fuel pump out and you can see how black the filter is. It is grot. It's supposed to be like that, or with a brown tinge. And so I've got new seals and rubbers, a new seal for there, and of course the pump. And I'm using just a Fuel Miser fuel pump. So I'm just gonna go ahead and disconnect all this and throw that on. Got it all on there. New O-ring. That's all the old junk here. Plugged in. So now I can go throw it back in. So I'll go do that now. Got it all in. It's all tight. All the lines plumbed up. Got a new fuel filter up there. So right now it's got to put the fuel in it, so we'll do that. Alright, we'll give this a go, put the new pump in. adjusted the clutch. Starts good. In gear. Shift's good. Brakes work. Bit of a miss, it probably needs some spark plugs in it. Oh, awesome. Alright, so I put some new spark plugs in it. It's got, yeah, the new fuel pump, new fuel filter, new fuel injector cleaner. But I don't know if you noticed in the video just then, but it didn't want to rev properly. Sort of had like a miss and it was doughy. I took it for a quick drive and I didn't film it, but it just had no power like whatsoever. But anyway, everything seemed fine, but because it ran perfect in the other motor, or in the other car. So as soon as I put this motor in this car, no good. Like, it wouldn't even rev to redline, gets like 4 grand. Anyway, I've been trying to figure out what's going on. I cleaned the coil pack and checked the coil pack, checked the leads, tested them, they all tested alright. I cleaned the DFI board on the coil packs. Yeah, checked over everything was fine. There's nothing that can be wrong. I was like, maybe it's a wiring issue. Cleaned all the earths, and then I was like, hold on, it doesn't sound right coming from the exhaust. So I'll show you what's going on. If you come under here, flick a light on, and the cat is blocked. So I've got to bash that out. So I'm going to go and bash that out. Alright, so I deleted the crossover or the wire pipe, and I put a brand new cat in it. So you can have a look. Yeah, there's a brand new cat in there, believe me. Might not be able to see it, it's one of them invisible ones, but yeah, it's brand new. It's all in there, I swear. It's all there. So just gotta bolt it back up there. So I'm gonna go and do that well quick, and hopefully it should be good then. So it's running sweet now. It actually has an exhaust note. It runs sweet. So I'm about to go take it for its first drive. No bonnet, because bonnets are for weak people. So come along. Alright, first drive in the VS. Cat smashed out. What do you reckon? Oh yeah. Mint.
Oh yes.
It actually goes.
Oh, it's been a while since I've driven a manual Commodore.
It actually goes a lot better.
Brakes work. It's got power, it's not missing.
Well, may as well give her a little fucking sauce. Might as well. Yep.
Ready?
Yep. Yep, goes good.
Spun second.
Actually, fries second from 15s.
Oh, this is gonna do some skids. Oh, it's perfect.
Mint.
Loves it. Alright, we're good. Let's go throw the bonnet on it, I think.
Yeah, I think it's bonnet time, bro.
Jack cops are out tonight.
Alright, so now we've got a cameraman. First thoughts on driving it since it's done. It spun second all the way up to 100.
Yeah.
So it's mint, it's perfect.
Perfect. Happy with it?
I'm more than happy. It runs sweet.
Couple of on both parts, or both parts, should I say, diagnoses, shall we say?
Yeah. Some minor mishaps, but no.
Thinking she's bad earths and whatnot, but or stuffed the loom, but come down to a dodgy Cadillac converter, eh? What can you say?
I put a brand new one in there. Yeah, brand new. It's
brand new, eh? She's fully legal.
I think we just need to weld the diff now.
Weld the diff, you say?
Send some skids. I already put the skidders on it.
Skidders on it?
I need to wash too. She's built.
Yeah, it needs to wash the clay coat off it, but we'll be right.
Alright.
Skidders on it, so what do you reckon we grab this out and do a little bit of damage with it?
Yep, we'll definitely get the CRG on it.
Sig Locker.
Yeah.
Loves it.
Sponsored by Sig.
Yeah. Shout out Sig Weld.
Yeah.
We need a Transmig 185 hooked up real quick.
Oh, do some wire, anything.
Got the 200 HF floating around over there. So what are you doing? Actually, while we're here, what are you doing with this fucking piece of shit?
Oh yeah, I got parts coming.
Parts coming?
Yeah, I got a rear bush kit.
Rear bush kit?
Yep. I'll order some injectors probably next week.
Yep.
Throw that in there with my new rail that's on the roof there.
New rail? No, it's not on the roof
really
there.
Just bolting it all. I've got everything else. So I've got fuel pump and lines and exhaust, everything. It's all there. So we just gotta.
So you got a cooler there now?
Oh, you gotta do that.
Where'd you grab that from?
That was mine that you stole. That I stole.
I was just about to say, I think I scabbed that off you a few months ago, didn't I?
Yeah. Sort of swaps in parts.
Shut, bro.
And got to bolt the rear bar on that. In my previous video you would have seen I haven't touched it since. It's still sitting on there.
Well, this thing's sort of been...
Yeah, that's
been game one, and then we've sort of been playing with this fucking thing in here, haven't we?
Yeah, the old Dina, we've moved it into the front and centre.
Front and centre now, we sort of can't really... Excuse the dirty Datsun shit we just walked past. That's a different video. But
can't really see too much probably.
No, he's pulled my full first thing turbo off. It was looking very fucking pimp, but we got to pull the TIG welder out and start on that shit.
That's for another video though. Well, if you want to see it, give this video a like and subscribe.
Throw some thumbs up.
Yeah, thumbs up and subscribe definitely. And we got heaps of projects, as you can see. There's heaps
fucking shit everywhere.
So
we got RBs, we've got BPs, we've got lasers, we've got Caldinas, we've got R31s, Commodores, fucking yeah, there's shit everywhere.
Yeah, heaps of stuff. So there's lots to come this year.
Make us want to do it.
Please go and subscribe and like this video. So cheers.